Rifle is a gun barrel of 16 inches or longer. As soon as you go below that, it needs to be an SBR or a pistol. When it's a pistol, you can't have a vertical grip or a stock, so they have braces.
We're going to be reviewing the St. Victor 308 pistol from Springfield Armory. I want to say a special thank you to Springfield Armory who sent us this pistol so that we could make this video review. Here's some specs on this pistol.
Legally speaking, because of the brace and the short barrel and everything, this is a pistol.
St. Victor AR pistol chambered in 308.
I want to show y'all something. They say this is not a pistol. Now you see the size of this AR pistol, the size of this 308. Now look at the size of that. Tell me why this is not a pistol. What, son? Oh, what? What? Definitely need this. But yeah, man, welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. How you guys doing today, man? Today is another vlog, another great vlog that I'm dropping today. And today we're gonna have some pretty explosive fun today, man. And I'm glad I'm doing this video. But today, we're going to the shooting range. Back to the shooting range. I feel like I ain't done a shooting range video in quite some time too. And I really need to do one, man, because I dropped a story feed. Before I get into that, hold on, man. Let me go ahead and set this up because I have to put this lint roller on. Because, you know, a couple of my videos, man, I don't know what's about this camera. It be showing, show everything, man. I'll be noticing, like, when I watch my videos over, I'll be having all type of stuff on me. But, you know, I don't really be tripping because, you know, those be them type of days when you just get out the house. And, you know, like I said, I'm not ashamed of nothing. I just get and go. So, I'm gonna go ahead and lint roll me up so there don't be no lint. But other than that, man, today, I'm going to the shooting range. Before I get into going to the shooting range again, you know, I apologize for going everywhere. But don't forget to smack that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. You know, when y'all do things like that, it turns up my YouTube algorithm, man. You know, they refer me to other people, you know, recommended people that's looking for these type of videos and all that. And, you know, my vlog will do a little bit of everything, but cut that short. Other than that, we going to the shooting range, and I feel like it's really important for me to go to the shooting range. What's you doing, son? I feel like it's really important for me to go to the shooting range is because I dropped the YouTube little story feed thing. I dropped one of them, and it was on a Pacific gun that I done yeah, drip check, you know. I dropped a little story feed on a Pacific gun that I had my girl shooting, and when I posted it, and everybody, it got up to like 20,000, 21, 22,000 views or something, like less than a day. And you know, I got quite a few people in the comments was trying to tell me what the gun was named and what it was not. And I don't know, man. Maybe since the gun is so new, maybe you guys don't know. But today that I'm gonna reveal that and show you guys that was all in my comments talking stuff, talking about, oh, it's not a pistol, it's a rifle, what do I have if that's a pistol? And it's not like, come on, man, do y'all research. I really need y'all to go and do y'all research. And I'm just gonna say the name, man. Go search up 308 pistol. Like, come on, maybe y'all don't know. Maybe y'all don't know. And there's a couple things I'm gonna break down to y'all, what y'all don't know, what turns a gun, even if it's the short one. I'm talking about the short guns. I'm talking about the ARs, and you know, talking about the 308s, and I guess for some of the AKs. Like I said, I know enough about guns. I'm not gonna act like I know everything, but I'm gonna tell y'all from a certain size of a gun, I'm not for sure if it's a 7-inch barrel or whatever, and about the stocks and all that. I'm gonna tell y'all what turns them into a rifle and what keeps them a pistol. And that's what y'all really need to know, because y'all just think everything that looks like a rifle is a rifle. No, there is a size to it, and it's with attachments that you add to it that turns it into a pistol. So we gonna get deeply into that. No, son. No. So those are things we're gonna catch up with. My brother is already there, so we finna get ready to head there. I just got to get this old lint roller on me, because you know some people getting your comments or even your messages. You know they ain't got nothing else better to do but to talk some smack, like, you know, because a lot of internet gangsters and stuff. You know how that is. I'm a personal, been public one. You know, come tell me in person. Tell me how you feel. I think that's good enough. You know, this shirt wasn't too bad. My last video, man, I don't know. I was a little fuzzy on there. Super fuzzy. But other than that, man, we finna go ahead and fire up Frankie. There he is. Man, y'all don't forget to check out my last video. My last video I just dropped on him. You know, I kind of explained the details of it. About Frankie. Looking good. That's my boy stuff right there. Stay right across the street from me. It's crazy. He got the same exact lift. Same exact lift. Same size rims and tires. Alright, we're all fired up and ready to go. Go ahead and put the booster away. Go ahead and throw him in the car. Like I said, my brother's at the shooting range. Well, it's one hell of a jump. Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all how my feet are on the ground. Man, I'm 6'3". I'm 6'3" and I gotta jump in my truck. I'm gonna put me some steps on here. But ooh, boy, I need some gas. Look at this. I need some straight gas. Guess I'll stop by the gas station. But my brother's already at the shooting range, so he got down there already. You know, he done brought most of his guns. You know, his collection is crazy. His collection is crazy. You know, like I said, don't forget to check out his channel. He finna drop some videos. He said this coming year, after New Year's, he's dropping. He has a gun channel he's dropping. Check him out, Black Ops Black. I'm gonna try to put him in the link. I'm gonna try to put his link in the description below. And like I said, he got crazy guns. And I keep telling him, man, like, hey, I don't know, you might be ready for Black Rambo, man. Like, my brother got some crazy guns. Like, if he can't match up with Black Rambo so far as the guns, like Black Rambo, but he's a god of it. But if he can't match up with him, like, he good enough to be the prince, man. I'm telling you, his gun collection is crazy. I keep telling him, bro, drop your videos. You crazy content. He can do content all day on just guns of stuff. Why is the heater on? Oh, last night of just guns. But we can go ahead and shoot over here. I got to get some gas, and then we heading there. I'm gonna get straight into this. Enough talking, so you already know what time it is. Alright, y'all, we done finally made it here. We done got here. You can hear them blowing. Oh, yeah. We can go out here, man, blow some real artillery. But this is our public range, man. As y'all can see that it's on the mountains. Like I said, I stay on the mountains. I'm back here on the mountains. How's it going, man?
Hey, man, sorry, man, but the range is only open to family members only.
Oh, I'm glad that I'm related to you, man. This is my brother right here.
He's good, man.
So we here, man. We here. We in the range. You see that, my brother, man. Again, black out black right there. You got your vest on? You done brought the vest. Ooh, boy, here go the toys. Here go the toys. Definitely. We brought them all up. Put them out. Forgot all about that. My ears is already ringing, man, but we here.
Because he's so cold, he's doing this. So.
Attention all shooters,
Up there.
ceasefire. Attention all shooters, ceasefire.
Say that, you gotta stand behind the line. But hey, this the what's the name? The SPD.
This is a ceasefire.
Oh.
Said what, bro?
You said you didn't bring the bullets to
Yeah, man.
Dang, I wonder who we could get bring them.
I forgot him. I was packing up so much.
Yeah.
That dude right here, see those bags? He got more bags in the car.
What you mean more bags?
He got 2, 2, 3, all those. But I spent $100 for all those.
You got them all from him?
Yeah, from him.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just waiting to see who's gonna pop up, so we can put some money, grab some more.
Damn, that was a lot of them. Man, y'all can see the range, man. This is outdoors. This
Okay, so everybody's attention. They gotta have everyone's attention, please.
We do? All right, let's set up a target right now. Hold on.
When you've been stuck with them a few times, you always keep a sharp. Oh, here, you need another staple.
Where do you think we should set this one at, bro? So where do you think we should set this one at?
Shoot. Set that mug way down there.
Oh yeah, since we got like the what's the name? Hey, bro, we gonna tell them about. They said that that 308 is not a pistol.
Oh yeah, we gonna show y'all the 308 is a pistol, man.
So, you know, I done did some more research on that to show them that it's a pistol actually. You know, that tells you that the level that they on when it comes to their artillery. That they don't know that the 308 is a pistol. We're gonna set this one about right here. We're gonna set this one right here. Show y'all our accuracy. How we get down from, I don't even know how many yards this is.
I think 50.
Oh, 50. That's that 100 yard.
Yeah.
For that, yo, long, the 308.
Yeah.
And
We'll bring it on the next one.
What's that one you got with that muzzle on the front of it, that long one?
The muzzle, with the muzzle.
Remember, it got, I mean, not a muzzle, it got like, it looked like a sniper gun.
Sniper. Is that 308? The long 308?
It probably was.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we're gonna be over there next, man, with the metal target. We still need to sign up for that. We definitely need to sign up for that. Rod on his way?
No, Rod ain't coming.
Man, Rod, I'm gonna send this video to you personally. I'm gonna send a link to you. Man, talk some shit. How the hell? Oh my God. That dude whack. Alright. So we definitely set up and ready to go. Alright, man, we got the target set up out there. We definitely got the target set up out there, so we finna get ready then, man, and have some fun. And you see that my brother done brought out everything. He done brought out, well, I ain't gonna say everything. This is probably not even half of his collection. Like, I never even knew he had that right there, and that must be something he kept hidden. Other than that, man, it's time to blow these things up. You ready, Dad? So we finna get to this right here. We definitely finna get to this today. We was saying, I said, they said not a pistol. Hey, we got some work to do today, but you can load it up full of everything. That's what it looked like. And these dudes are really getting off over there. Other than that, this big boy is about. This thing right here is very surprising. But you know, it's nothing to it but to get.
She like,
I'm about
it don't matter.
Chunky with, real active with right here, boy. I'm telling you, brother, gun collection is crazy.
Let's see.
It's super. Let's go ahead and load this thing down real quick. Alright, y'all see what I'm about to do? This is the 9 right here. So I'm about to show y'all what to do with this. I'm actually supposed to go for this little short, but I think it's the 25 yard. Right here, let me zoom in for y'all, man. This is my first time shooting right here. Alright, let's get in real good. Let's get it. Back out on that.
This slide comes back.
See what it is. Toys wasn't too bad. Pretty accurate. As long as you brace yourself right for it. Lock up your body, lock up your arm a little bit, and brace your wrist. You get what you want out of it. So next, thinking about shooting. This is the Glock. I'm gonna try that one. Let's see how that one goes. Okay. Look at the nose on this here. Y'all can see, man, this my brother got the whole 40 clip. It ain't 30 clip. See that? I like this right here. I like the feel right there. That one feels good right there. I don't know what it is. I'll got a Glock in a minute. But we're gonna get to this, man. We're gonna get to this. This is Mr. 22,000 views right there. And you know they went but I think this is the Scorpion. Right? Yep, this is a Scorpion right here. A nice gun. My brother built this right here. Like, he don't keep guns too much stock. Like this is the last time y'all gonna probably see this gun like this. He probably gonna pull all this off and you know, he gonna super decorate that. He do some crazy stuff. But let's try the Scorpion. Get a couple shots out of there. Out of everything, I ain't gonna get too much shots out of it. Probably like maybe 4 shots out of it. Probably got like 4 or 5 bullets in there. But like again, it's a Scorpion. We're gonna see what the Scorpion do. Probably gonna try that one way there. I'm gonna try that one, see how we do. He's gonna give me a little more.
Like this. So when you look at it, and then look through it like that.
That's a good shooter. That's accurate right there. That's definitely accurate. What we looking at shooting today? Oh, I think I showed in one of my videos I did a while back. This thing right here. disturbing the piece. I mean, it's crazy. It's an AR. My brother done did some couple things to it. See, he dressed it up. So, you know what? I'm gonna show you right now. Y'all can see that it's a double mag. You always want to use brass bullets, man. You know them, whatever these is, steel case bullets is trash, man. Them things damage your gun for real. Right now, my AR, I gotta replace my trigger from shooting these. But again, this is the AR. I guess y'all gonna tell me that. Y'all gonna tell me that this ain't a pistol either, too, huh? So yeah, I'm finna I'm targeting that green fella right there. Targeting him.
Get a chance, I want you to come down here and shoot that. Oh, hell. You can see why I'm saying attitude.
That's this fella right here. Peace. So what else, man? We just got some more bullets. We'll definitely pick up some more bullets. We need some 9 bullets. And I'm missing my SAR 9. Wish I had the bullets today, but we dive in on Daphne over here blowing.
It ain't locked back yet.
Before we get into that, we gonna get to that. Definitely gonna. But you said you grabbed some more slugs, bro?
Some slugs right there.
All right, I'm gonna get a few out of here. What's up with this beat? Fella.
I'm starting to figure out all my stuff.
AK-12s. Boy. You already shot at that one back there?
Yup.
Yeah. This mother's so stupid right here.
You shoot high.
This one's so dumb. Told you, bro, man. If you can't get Black Rambo hell, Black Rambo, man, you ain't the only man that's doing this, man. Calling you out. Definitely calling you out. What's up, Daphne, man? You gonna give it a shot or what? No? Daphne said, hell no. Hey, you didn't bring no 22s, huh?
Yep.
You did? Where that, they look like the Glock 22. This, the
22 y'all was shooting last time.
I'm gonna shoot the 22. Where the bullets at inside, y'all? Everybody like, man, when he gonna get to the 308 pistol? That's why I'm here. Let me open this up.
For $100.
I remember how to load these.
This target shows
You was hey, you want to like get that real quick before we get ready?
If you need more 9, I got some more too.
Got some more?
I got like 300 more rounds.
Damn. Just buy bullets and sit on them like
I make them.
Oh, you make them yourself?
Yeah.
So you make these right here, the thugs?
No, those I didn't make. Those ones I got for a good
So you
deal
make
from
these
my
ones?
last job that I used to work at. That's why that has their label on it for the job, but I don't work there no more.
But those I made myself.
Alright. I'm finna shoot one more gun. Before I shoot this last gun, we're going to that 308 pistol. Definitely going to the 308 pistol. Alright. Now this one right here is the Draco line right here. Sight on. So, but this is the Draco 9. You see that it take a Glock clip. Let's see how this get down. Draco 9, dude.
Got for Daphne was shooting.
This one right here?
That's accurate. Shoot it way down there. See, you hit that.
This mug is accurate.
I told you.
So that was the Draco 9. As y'all can see, y'all probably gonna tell me that ain't a Draco. Draco only coming with the K bullets. You can see that right there. So no time for y'all shenanigans. You still had a bullet left in there.
No, it ain't like this.
So okay, that's what's next right here. The pistol.
So Daphne, you know what? See when you lean in it like that? You ready?
Go ahead.
Shit, hey, Daphne, come over here. Oh no, I ain't even have it hold it. I ain't even have it loaded yet.
Yeah, we about to get in on this 308, man. We definitely about to get it. Go ahead.
Daphne, first time shooting a 308.
Man, so you can shoot with it too. That was
Daphne,
a little dumb.
how you like that?
Yeah. This is dangerous.
Knocking with it too. Okay, Daphne.
Look at the headshots down there.
That thing right there is dumb. That thing is dumb. Dang.
You out? They show you out. Oh, hell no. Shoot that motherfucker out.
How many you put in there?
Huh?
How many you put in there? That sounds crazy. Okay, that's it. That's it. Alright. So I got a question. Before we get over there, I got a question. What is this? Tell me what this is. This is the AR. And they got the stock on here too. They got the folding stock.
Guaranteed there's probably another one of these out there. How they always find them.
Can't do it. I got one hand right now. But what do we call this right here? This is the AR. Because it got all accessories, I believe they have all accessories to not turn into a rifle. Got all accessories not turning into a rifle. Not sure about the stock on here, but I believe, no, matter of fact, it is. This keeps it a pistol because it got the brace on it, as you can see. But it keeps it a pistol. Hey, I'm gonna move this one over there.
Oh, go ahead.
Now I want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all something. They say this is not a pistol, but you know, after the barrel is a certain, like a certain inch. Alright. Still has that one in there. Now you can see the size of this AR pistol, the size of this 308, so-called is not a pistol. Now look at the size of that. Tell me why this is not a pistol. Now, I got the arm brace on it too. We don't have any type of hand stock that's flipped down. Anytime this is on there, you got one of these on there, it still keep it a pistol. But again, I said it's not a 308 pistol. Do y'all research. Type up 308 pistol. Type it up.
It's dangerous.
Again, but we about to blow that 308 pistol. So let me go ahead and load this up. Damn, boy, look at the size of these. To let y'all know, it is a 308. See the size of that bullet. Pull this chair out. For some reason, I like to sit down and shoot. Come on. I guess you're more accurate when you sit down and shoot. We're talking about the 308 pistol. If y'all is here from this video, from a story feed, hey, this is for y'all. This is definitely for y'all. 308 pistol. One back here with it.
Oh, you gonna do that first one right there? Yeah, right.
I have not.
This mug is so stupid. There it is, people. There it is. You know what? I might throw in a couple little things that's gonna come across the screen to show y'all what this gun actually is, man. You know, feel free to get in the comments if you still don't believe. Give me the debate, man. That's what it's all about. Having fun, talking smack. You know, some people gonna show hate. It might get a little deeper than what it is, but it's all good, man. It's life. That's what comes with it. But we're gonna just have fun now.
Oh, okay.
Check out and see what we've been doing out here. Go look at the target. This is one of them. Damn, well, we was killing this little section right there. And I think that's with just straight 223s. I think all of these are 223. Maybe some couple nines, but we super damaged that area. What do we have here? What do we have here? I think this was somebody else's target up on here. We just finishing it off. But as you can see, nothing special. 2 bullseyes. That's the next thing. It's definitely nice. So check out here to this 50-yard. You can see over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's 50 yards. Oh, look at that. That AK-12, boy. Dang, that AK-12 is so accurate. It's crazy. Look at that. Yeah. Yards out. Damn.
I don't know.
Look at the size of that. Come on, y'all.
I don't even know.
Look at that.
Probably after New Year's or so. I
Chunking
my 3rd
them.
week coming.
Definitely chunking them.
Hey, this girl is a shooter.
Yeah, Daphne could shoot.
She can shoot her ass off, boy.
She definitely can.
Oh my God, bro! From way over there, bro. She was.
What's the name of this range? What's the name of this range, bro?
Phoenix Riding Gun Club.
What was it?
Phoenix Riding Gun Club.
Phoenix Riding Gun Club?
Yep.
Man, y'all definitely gotta come here. Okay, my fault on that. My battery had died. Thank God I got more. But then again, like I said, man, this is one of the best shooting ranges I've been to. And probably throw in the description. I'm gonna put the address down below. So if you come to Phoenix, Arizona, y'all definitely gotta come check this spot out. It's on the mountain. Like, look at this. Look at this place, man. This is peaceful. This is South Mountain. Right behind here, you know, what Arizona is known for, them red lights is right on the other side of this hill right here. And it's just a peaceful place, man. If you want to be somewhere where you want to get a peace of mind and, you know, really enjoy yourself, it actually feel like a vacation. Like, a lot of people that come here know that, like, this is a place that they say it's like a never-ending vacation. That's people that lives here. But that's Phoenix for you. But so much so far for that, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to turn on all post notifications and smack that subscribe button. And definitely share the button. Get in the comments. Comment down below what y'all think. Other than that, man, definitely, you know, you can find me on my Instagram at G1Visions. And you can hit me up on Facebook. It's actually G1 Visions on there. It's my fan page. But other than that, we closing this vlog out. Y'all stay tuned. You already know.